Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen a cutter on a Norwalk juicer. The first thing you need is a fine-toothed file, and there's a special brush for cleaning the file. And I've already cleaned the file, but I'm just demonstrating you have a special brush for that. So the first thing you do is you place your cutter in a vise, and mostly on the side, 5 to 10 swipes. Usually I do about 5, 6, or 7. And then you rotate the cutter, exposing the next blade, again on the side. And then, you've already sharpened this on the side, you do it on the top a few times until it's razor sharp. There we go. Rotate the cutter again, exposing the next cutter blade, file it on the side, between 5 and 10 swipes. Then rotate your cutter, and again on the top until it's razor sharp, then on the side, rotate your cutter, tighten it on the top a few times. Beautiful. Then on the side again, all the way around. Rotate the cutter. On the top again a few times until it's razor sharp. Now, one thing you should notice is this cutter blade is slightly curved, so you need to rotate the file just slightly to follow the curve of the cutter, razor sharp. Then on the side again, between 5 and 10 swipes. Rotate the cutter. Then on the top again. Beautiful. One more blade. Remembering that the cutter is curved. Beautiful. And there you have it. And I hope that was helpful.